Welcome to the amazing island of Siquijor here in the Philippines. Today I'm going to take you around to show you its amazing beaches, stunning waterfalls, incredible locals, and delicious food. Let's go. When you want to break from all the island hopping and touring, the century-old tree is the perfect spot. You get to sit back, relax, either yourself or some friends, and have little fish eat at the bottom of your feet. It's really tickly. It's contagious. People are laughing everywhere, but it's a great time to sit back and relax and get like a little free pedicure. Welcome to Cambugahay Falls, easily one of the most stunning waterfalls I've seen in all of the Philippines. It cascades upon small waterfalls, there's rope swing, and depending on the type of traveler you are, if you want to come between 6 and 8 a.m., you have this stunning place to yourself, or you want to come with a bunch of friends and do a lot of rope swinging, you come around noon and it's a beautiful spot. Welcome to Salagdoong Beach, probably the most famous beach in Siquijor. There's a regular restaurant, there's a spa with massages, but here's known for cliff jumping and a popular family beach. I'm now in the slow-paced portside town of Lazi. It's one of the bigger towns here in Siquijor. It's known for having delicious, cute little shops. Right now though, I'm gonna grab some lunch at 24. This place is by far my favorite. 24 has a great example of Filipino food as well as Western food, so whoever's in your party, you'll all enjoy it here. It's incredibly delicious, safe to eat. I'm currently trying hamba, which is Filipino-style stew. It's marinated garlic with beans and the caramelized pork. It's so good. Now, if resorts are more your scene, Casa de Playa is where it's at. Here, it's on the west coast. There's no one else here. It's just you, a couple other people in beach cottages. It's really that hammock life and really relaxing. So if you're more of a resort type person, skip San Juan and come over here to Casa de la Playa. After a short hike, I made it up the tower at Bandilan Mountain, and the view for sunset was so worth it. It's incredible here. You walk up a path over there and then walk up a whole bunch of stairs up to the top of the tower. I just made it back to Manila after an amazing week in Siquijor. The views were incredible and the people were amazing. Now though I'm planning my next trip, I'm thinking of Siargao. If there's anything I missed in the video or if you want to recommend any more places for me to go in the Philippines, please let me know in the comments below.